everyone! Last week in social studies we talked about goods and services. Let's review what those two words mean. Goods are things made for people to buy. Last week you all had to make a list of goods and services. Where you wrote down all of the goods, you wrote down different things that you could buy. When I went shopping, I bought some different goods. I bought pasta, water, and toothpaste. Some goods are things that you need, like the ones that I showed you, but sometimes you buy things that you want. I don't need this nail polish, but it was something I wanted. A service is work or a duty that someone does for another person. We looked at some different examples of those last time. A doctor, a teacher, and a cafeteria worker. They all provide different services that people need. Let's see if we can sort these different pictures into goods and services. If goods are things that I can buy, are cookies a good or a service? They're goods. This person is a mechanic. Mechanics help people fix their cars. Is this a good or a service? It's a service. Toys. Toys are things that you might play with. Are toys a good or a service? They're goods. A pilot is someone who drives a plane, and they drive people to different destinations. Is this an example of a good or a service? It's a service. Groceries, like what I just showed you, are those examples of a good or a service? They're goods. And last, we have a veterinarian. A veterinarian is a doctor for animals. They help animals that are sick or hurt. Are they a good or do they provide a service? They provide a service. We're going to read a book together called Goods and Services Around Town by Heather Schwartz. This book is a nonfiction book. There's a table of contents and photographs, and at the end of the book, there is a glossary and an index. There are some different text features that help me know that it's a nonfiction book. There's also captions underneath each picture to tell me more about it. I see that the first section of this book is called For Sale, and it starts on page 4. For sale. What can you buy in your town? Look around you. There are many goods and services to buy. This boy buys a snow cone on a hot day. This girl shovels snow on a cold day. Which picture shows an example of a good? It's the snow cone. And which picture shows an example of a service? The girl shoveling snow, because she is doing work for someone. Good stuff. Goods are things that you can buy. Books are goods. Computers are goods too. A woman shops at a bookstore long ago. This girl is shopping for a book today. At your service. Services are work or help that is for sale. Fixing a car is a service. Cleaning a home is a service too. A man is paid to fix the car long ago. This woman is paid to fix a car today. Make it, sell it, or buy it. Producers make goods. Sellers sell the goods. Consumers or buyers shop for goods and services. I showed you all that I went shopping. That means that I'm a consumer. I went out and I bought goods that I need. This woman makes shoes long ago. Buy it. Buyers can also be called customers or clients. They can be called guests or shoppers too. These customers are buying flowers. The person who grew the flowers would be the producer because they made the flowers for them to buy. Producers choose what to make. They make goods that buyers want and need. These men are making cars long ago. These women are making baseball gloves today. Sellers choose what to sell. They decide the prices. They sell goods and services at prices people will pay. This store has a sale on toys long ago. Low prices. Some sellers sell the same goods as others. They lower their prices so buyers will buy from them. This store has lots of things on sale today. Buyers choose which goods and services they want to buy. They choose the prices they will pay. Many people want to buy dolls in 1983. I want it. If buyers all want the same goods, then sellers will raise their prices. These people are in line to buy the latest cell phone. Your town. Your town has producers and sellers. They work together so you can buy what you want and need. This dad is buying his son new shoes. Do I need that? Some things you want, other things you need. You may want a new toy, but you need food. This girl wants to buy a toy. Make it. Are you good at reading? Do you like to clean your room? Think of a way you can help people. You may help friends with homework. You may help them clean. Bailey and Jaden love dogs. Jaden and Bailey made a poster to tell about their dog sitting business. You don't have an assignment to do today, but start thinking about what service or good you would want to provide someone with. It'll help you for the assignment you need to do on Thursday. On the glossary, you can review some words that you may want to see the meaning for. So let's look at the words that we're focusing on this week. Goods are things that people can buy. Services are work or help for sale. Consumers are people who buy things. And producers are people who make things. That's it for our story. See you all next time.